If you want to turn a photo into a bold black and white image in just a few seconds, Photopea makes it incredibly easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply threshold in Photopea step by step, so you can control exactly how much of your image turns black or white. This is great for creating high contrast effects, simple artwork, logos, stencil style images, and more. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. To do that, go up to the top menu, click File, and then choose Open. Once your image is loaded into the workspace, take a look at the Layers panel on the bottom right. Make sure your image layer is selected. This is important because the adjustment needs to be applied to the correct layer. If the wrong layer is active, your changes may not show up the way you expect. After selecting the layer, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and find the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a half-filled circle. Click that icon and a menu will appear with different adjustment options. From that list, choose Threshold. As soon as you click it, Photopea will open the threshold adjustment in the Properties panel. This is where the real control happens. You'll see a threshold level slider, and it usually ranges from 0 to 255. If you drag the slider to the left, more of the image becomes white. If you drag the slider to the right, more of the image becomes black. So if you want a cleaner white background, move it left. If you want darker shapes and stronger black areas, move it right. The best part is that you can keep adjusting it until the image looks exactly how you want. Take a moment to experiment with the slider and watch how your photo changes in real time. This makes it easy to create a dramatic black and white result without needing advanced editing skills. And because you're using an adjustment layer, it's a non-destructive edit, which means you can always go back and change the setting later if needed. That's the simple way to use threshold in Photopea. Once you know where the setting is, it only takes a few clicks to get a sharp, stylized look. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.